Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon to the chairperson and fellow participants. My name is Nesa Gusira from the Faculty of Sport and Health Education, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. In this presentation, I will share the result of a study that analyzes how achievement motivation differs across age levels among football athletes. This is a topic of great relevance to athlete development, sport psychology, and coaching strategies. An analysis of achievement motivation among football athletes at various age levels. Here is the structure of my presentation. We will begin with a brief introduction to the topic and the theoretical background, then outline the research problem and objective. After that, I will explain methodology, followed by the findings, discussion, and conclusion. Introduction: Achievement motivation is a key psychological factor in football, influencing athlete consistency, discipline, and long-term performance. As players age, their motivation evolves from intrinsic enjoyment in younger athletes to career-oriented goals in older ones. Understanding this change is essential for developing age-appropriate coaching strategies that support sustained motivation and athletic growth. Achievement motivation is a fundamental psychological construct in sport. In football, it determines an athlete's ability to stay disciplined, resilient, and focused in the long term. Motivation in younger athletes is often driven by fun, curiosity, and enjoyment. This is what we call intrinsic motivation. As they grow older, external factors such as scholarship opportunities, career goals, or social expectations begin to influence their motivation. Understanding how this transition occurs across different ages can help coaches, educators, and sport psychologists create target support systems to maintain performance and mental well-being. Problem research: How do patterns of achievement motivation differ among football athletes aged 15, 17, and 20? The central problem explored in this study is how does achievement motivation differ across football athletes aged 15, 17, and 20. We aim to uncover motivational patterns that are specific to age and development stage, since each group faces different challenges in terms of identity, performance pressure, and future orientation. Research objective: To analyze age-related differences in achievement motivation among football athletes using the sport motivation scale 2 based on self-determination theory. The objective of this study is to analyze age-based difference in achievement motivation using the sport motivation scale 2. This scale is rooted in self-determination theory, which categorizes motivation into several types, from autonomous form, like intrinsic, integrate, and identified regulation, to more controlled forms such as introjected and external regulation, and finally, a motivation where no purpose or intent is perceived. This framework allows us to assess how internalized an athlete motivation is at different ages. Methodology: We employed a quantitative, descriptive, comparative research design. The study involved 62 male football athletes, equally divided among three age groups: 15, 17, and 20 years old. We used the SMS2 questionnaire, consisting of 18 items rated on a 7-point Likert scale. The analysis was carried out using descriptive statistics in SPSS to compare mean score across motivation types within each age group. This approach was chosen to highlight patterns without necessarily conducting inferential statistics, as our aim is to describe rather than predict. The result is the key findings are as follows. 15 years old athletes score high in identified regulation 18.76 and intrinsic regulation 18.43, showing they enjoy the sport and begin to see it as personally meaningful. However, our motivation was low, 8.05, indicating good engagement. 17 years old had the highest score across all internal motivation and the lowest motivation, 9.33. This group appears to be the most motivated, with a clear sense of purpose, identity, and internal drive in playing football. 20 years old saw a slight decline in intrinsic and identified motivation, while motivation increased to 12.35. This may indicate early sign of disillusionment, possibly due to pressure, burnout, or doubt about pursuing football as a career. Discussion. Let's interpret these findings. The 17 years old demonstrate the most stable internalized motivation. They likely see football as part of what they are rather than just an activity they do. This aligns with that what self-determination theory describes as integrated regulation. The 15 years old show strong enthusiasm and enjoyment, but their identity as athletes is still developing. Their motivation is present but not yet fully internalized. 20 years old, in contrast, show early symptoms of a motivation. This may stem from burnout, overtraining, or concern about the uncertainty of a professional career in sport. This group is a critical transition stage where some may abandon their athletic goals. Implication: These differences suggest that motivation is dynamic and age-sensitive. Coach strategy must be adjusted to each age group, psychological readiness, and challenges. For example, 20 years old may benefit more from mental coaching and career counseling, while younger athletes may need support to build identity and confidence. The 17 years old group is the most internally motivated, suggesting this age is a critical peak in assessment motivation. 15 years old are still forming their athletic identity but show promising level of intrinsic engagement. 20 years old are at risk of demotivation, making them a key target group for psychological intervention and long-term planning support. Therefore, training programs must be tailored to address the unique psychological needs of each age group. Recognizing these motivational patterns is not just important, it's necessary to ensure athlete longevity, mental health, and performance. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I look forward to any question, suggestion, or discussion regarding this topic. Thank you.